speaker of ComSoc, Dr. M. Tahir, Associate Professor at University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore. Sir, we would like to know about your professional career.
I started with job at Siemens way back in 1999. I worked there only for a few months and then switched to University of Engineering and Technology as a lecturer. I continued, then I went abroad to US for my PhD, finished my PhD in 2008, came back in 2009, rejoined the department, and since then I am working with the Department of Electrical Engineering. Over the last few years, we have developed quite a few interesting solutions for our local problems. The first project that I tackled was related to security, in which we used sensor networks involving both acoustic as well as camera sensor networks to develop intelligent surveillance solution which can be used to track down the culprits who have been involved in some of the gunshots and terrorist activities. Another project that we are currently involved in is involving again it's another local problem. We have this problem of one-wheeling by the motorcyclists. So we have developed a solution which can be integrated with the number plate on that vehicle and can be used to detect and report the one-wheeling being done by some of the motorcyclists. Please go ahead.
So as you tell us that you have worked in Siemens, so working in industry and then working here as a teacher, so where do you see the difference and how would you relate it that the students and the jobs in the professional life?
Actually, a student has to have many different dimensional skills to work in any environment. It's just not the curriculum that you have to have knowledge about, but you also have to have knowledge about time management, doing things properly, learning how to interact with your colleagues and making maximum productivity or getting maximum productivity out of your team. So all these skills are required to be successful in any job, whether it is in industry or in academia. It's immaterial.
So do you think that our industry and our students are in collaboration?
Frankly, our industry is not very cutting edge. It's primarily a maintenance industry, and the curriculum that we use to teach in our university is more oriented towards the design, because we have to have student skills developed for being able to get jobs abroad, to get scholarships abroad for higher education. So keeping that in view, maybe our students are a bit more overqualified for the local jobs.
So what are you going to talk about today?
Today's talk is going to be around that project that I mentioned a while back regarding intelligent surveillance system that we have developed, and currently we are negotiating its integration in the existing Safe City project in Lahore that has already been deployed, or it's being deployed currently. So our solution is being integrated and we are negotiating the solution integration with Huawei currently.
So what are your views about this ComSoc summer school?
It's a good initiative. It creates a bit of an environment where students can gain knowledge, broaden their view about how things happen, how IEEE or other societies can help them in expanding their network, in finding different ways and learning methods of finding opportunities and making better progress with better utility of their time and activities.
So any suggestion you would like to recommend for this event or the university or the industry?
I think currently, because in summer when we have proper summer taught session, then this school should be organized. So the timeline should be such that most of the departments are not having summer vacation. It should be aligned with some semester active or being in progress, so more students can actively participate.